Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In today's video we have different opportunities we're going to be exploring. They are all from different organizations, healthcare as well as consulting firms. Let's dive right in. The first one is with this organization called Foundation Finance Company, and what this role is verification specialist. This is more of a customer support. You're going to be making calls as well as receiving calls, and you're going to be helping to validate identity of customers, making sure that the social security number is accurate, making sure that who they say they are. So really just verifying their identity and then helping to triage them to the appropriate department within the organization. So that's really what it is. The goal is to reduce fraudulent activity, to also help in making sure that proper screening is being done ahead of people meeting other people within the organization to provide the services that they are calling about. And this position is going to pay between $18 and $19 per hour. That is the salary range, and what they are asking for is associate's degree in business. If you don't have that, they are asking for you to have 2 years experience in customer service. So that's pretty much it. They're looking for you to also have strong computer skills. That makes sense because you're going to be working off of a computer. They want to make sure that you're good with navigating computers. They talk about Microsoft Word, Excel, internet, as well as email, and just someone who has strong typing skills, good attention to detail, very professional on the phone with excellent etiquette, as well as good verbal and written communication skills. 1 evening shift per week and 1 half day on Saturday every 5 weeks. So I love this because they've itemized everything that you know is expected of you, so you can then make the decision if this is a good fit or not. All right, so we're going to move on to the next position. This one is titled Revenue Cycle Improvement Consultant. I do want to talk about this for a moment. So consultant roles, I see them rising, a lot of job titles with that consultant attached to the title, and I know I've gotten mixed feedback. I've spoken to different people, and some people are like, I don't really know, because when you say consultant, I'm thinking I am a consultant, so which means that I am not a full-time employee. And I wanted to make sure that I bring it up in this video that does not mean that, okay? So being a revenue cycle improvement consultant in this case is just basically also saying revenue cycle improvement specialist. That's really all it is. It does not mean that you're going to be working part-time. This job that I'm going to be talking about that has consultant attached to the title is a full-time position, and it's a fully remote, as you can see on here, remote United States, and it is full-time. So I wanted to correct the impression for anyone out there that may have that. Seeing a consultant with the title of a job does not mean that it is not a full-time job, that it doesn't come with benefits or whatever the case may be. That's really what it is. With this position, you are going to be responsible for ongoing identification and implementation of revenue cycle reengineering solutions. This work, you will help with the revenue cycle department. You will make sure that health information management services, make sure that different clinical departments, clinical teams are working with appropriate information, following appropriate processes so as to help improve their efficacy as well as efficiency. So that's really what this position is. As you can see, they are paying quite high, which is $36 entry level qualifications to $57 high experience level. This position, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be assisting with revenue cycle departments in database components of workflow design, proactively seeks opportunities to identify revenue cycle inefficiencies, research, understand data, implement revenue cycle improvement solutions for BSWH. So really, this individual is going to be focusing a whole lot on monitoring, on performance, on improvements, on workflows, processes, etc. So really making sure that everything is working as it should. They did put on here key success factors such as project management experience, someone who is very good with communication, someone who has done healthcare consulting experience, but who has consulting health care experience before. So that is not a requirement, it is a preference. So even if you don't have that, you can still apply and potentially get this job. So they do match 401k 5% and also tuition reimbursement, PTO accrual beginning day one, so there is no wait. So I really like this. Also benefits vary based on position type and as well as level. Education, they're asking for bachelor's degree or 4 years of work experience. 3 years is what they're looking for in terms of job experience. So but they did not specify what the area of job it needs to be. So this is also one that I think is advantageous because there is no specificity to the type of work you need to have done. As long as if you're in healthcare, I definitely think you have an advantage because this is a healthcare organization. Don't forget the salary is $36 to $57 per hour. That is the salary range. All right, we're going to move on to the next role, which is with Ardent Health. And Ardent Health is looking for a decision support analyst. And this is a full-time position, and it is also fully remote, which is a healthcare organization that has their help in Tennessee. But they're looking for someone to come and report to the manager of decision support. As an analyst, you're going to work very closely with different markets. You're going to make sure that you're collecting and analyzing different data points, especially with regards to finances, as well as clinical information to help the organization make better decisions. You're going to also be working very closely with different operational areas to ensure that the way they are performing, their metrics, their case management initiatives, all strategic projects that they have in place to ensure that they are working as they should, and to make sure that they actually are measuring these performances and putting them in appropriate presentation methods to leadership so as to help them make better decisions. There are going to be a lot of ad hoc requests as well, because this particular role is based off of continued process as well as trial and errors. Say I want to test something between a period of month 1 to month 3, and I want to see how exactly that particular strategy did. They're looking for a bachelor's degree, someone with a bachelor's degree, someone that has 2+ years of experience in healthcare. Someone with Power BI experience is preferred, but it's not required. Epic knowledge as well, preferred but not required. And with strong financial acumen, someone who is analytical in nature, strong written and oral communication skills, commitment to the development of others is here as well. So that is really this position, and it's open and accepting applications right now. So if you notice, one of the pattern with these roles is that most of them, they are quite attainable in terms of skill set, in terms of experience. The last position that I have is this one right here, which is titled Document Coordinator. So document coordinator, you're basically going to be focusing on documentation. You're going to be helping to contact physicians via phone and email to obtain medical information for patients. You're going to be ensuring that everything pertaining to a member's record is complete, especially because patients move from one facility to another. So really essential. And you're going to obviously be following a lot of compliance metrics, standards, HIPAA, PHI, etc. With this position, they just need you to have a GED, and this is a Monday through Friday type of work, and you're going to be doing 9:30 to 5:30 p.m. Eastern. That is the shift, and this is fully remote. And with this position, they are asking for high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service experience. This position is going to pay close to between $17 and $21 per hour is the salary range. So that is the salary range. So those are the leads, guys. I hope you find them helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Till next time, I wish you guys all the very best of luck, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.